Why automate medication reminders?
Staying on top of medication schedules can be challenging, especially for families. Automating reminders helps ensure that no one misses a dose, supports better health outcomes, and reduces stress. With wellness apps, families can coordinate easily, receive notifications, and track progress, all from their smartphones.
Choosing the right wellness app.
Several top wellness apps offer shared medication reminder features. Popular choices include Medisafe, CareZone, and MyTherapy. Look for apps that support multiple user profiles, scheduling flexibility, and secure sharing with family members. Read reviews and compare interface ease to find the best fit for your family's needs.
Setting up family profiles.
Start by creating or adding profiles for each family member. Most apps allow you to add adults, children, and even elderly relatives. Enter names, ages, and relevant health details. This enables personalized scheduling and ensures that each person's reminders are accurate and distinct from the rest of the family.
Scheduling and customizing reminders.
Enter each medication's name, dosage, and timing for every user. Wellness apps let you set reminders for daily, weekly, or custom schedules. Choose notification types such as alarms, push notifications, or texts, and personalize messages. For children, consider adding fun sounds or colors to make reminders more engaging.
Sharing and monitoring reminders.
Many wellness apps allow family members to share schedules and track medication adherence together. Parents can receive alerts if a child misses a dose, and older children or caregivers can check off completed reminders. These features help improve accountability and teamwork in managing family health.
Tips for successful medication management.
Consistency is key for effective medication management. Encourage each family member to acknowledge reminders promptly. Periodically review medication lists to update doses and schedules. Use the app's reporting tools to share adherence information with healthcare providers if needed. Automated reminders make staying healthy together easier than ever.